मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि 3D मॉडल कहाँ से मिल सकता है हमें. So for 3D models we can browse asset store. Just click on here asset store and search for assets. If you want to use this screen in full view, you can simply press shift plus space to turn any of the windows in Unity, that is the game on scene and asset store, to full view option. So I have selected asset store and I am pressing shift plus space. If you are able to see, I have switched the scene window to full screen view. It's easier to navigate actually. So I will search for asset. The asset I will be using, it's named Warrior. Let's search for Warrior. You can search for anything you can imagine. Actually Unity Asset Store is a very rich platform where you can get all types of models and essential tools. For now I am searching for a Warrior model. Okay, I searched for Warrior and here you can see I have got a lot of assets, and most of the assets are paid actually. Here you can see $60, $19, $4.99. So we will not use these paid models, we will go with free models. So here I will select the free assets option. You can see there are 55 free assets available in the name of Warrior. So this is how you can refine your search. You can also check out this Unity version if you want your asset which is specifically made for Unity 2019. You can select here 2019. So actually the thing is, if you used any of the asset which was created very earlier, say for example in Unity 5, it might happen that your asset will get some errors. So always try to use the asset which is latest for your version. So currently I just changed it to free assets, and here we can see this Barbarian model I want to use. Actually you can see it's actually the color is faded because I have already downloaded. So let's see if let's see some other model which I have not used before. I will not download it, but I will show you. So I selected this model, its name is Warrior Pack Bundle 1 free, and I have to download it. Since I have not used this before, I have to download it. But if you have downloaded any of the assets before, you will get an option to import and not to download because you have already downloaded. So let's search one again, and I will go with that model. Select free assets and select Barbarian Warrior. Since I have already downloaded this Barbarian model, I am only getting the option to import. So I will hit import button. You can actually see some of the property of this Barbarian model. Its file size is 15.3, latest version is 1.3. It was released in December 15, 2016, and it is supported in any version of Unity which is Unity 5.4.1 or higher. So you can see we are using an ancient package, but it will work. 3-4 साल पहले का है, फिर भी काम कर जाएगा. तो हम लोग इसे इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. So I hit the import button and you were not able to see this option which I got. So I will share this screenshot with you. Import. Follow the WhatsApp group, I am sharing you the screenshot. So here when I hit on the import button, we got these options. So from here I want to import everything that is present inside that app, package. So I will hit the import button and it will take some time, as I told earlier. So it's being imported. Let's see. Actually we have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see we have imported a model which is 15.3 MB in size, and it's taking this much amount of time. Actually it works faster in my laptops, but since I am streaming and using a lot of data and I am putting a lot of pressure on my laptop, it's working slow. So I will wait for a few more seconds. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So here we have got a question from Rahul Yadav. What about using our own assets 3D model? Describe that also. Yes, I will come to that. If you have developed your own 3D model, you can use it as well, and you can also use the 3D models which you have downloaded from some other websites. It's not necessary that we have to work with only the asset provided by Unity Asset Store. I will tell you, there are a lot of websites from which you can get the models. Can I get the WhatsApp link? Nitin, just put the WhatsApp link in the comment and I will pin that comment if any of the persons are not in that WhatsApp group. So now our package is important and I will show you the Unity. So let's go back to our regular view. I have switched actually to full view. So again press Shift plus space and come back to our scene view. So let's go back to our regular view. I have switched actually to full view. So again press Shift plus space and come back to our scene view. So here you can see, if you are able to see, yes, we got some warnings over this model. Okay, we will ignore these warnings, it won't affect our program. So here you can see in the assets we got a new folder, Barbarian. Remember the model we used, it was named Barbarian model, so its assets come in the name of Barbarian. So here you can see, when I open Barbarian, we have got 3 folders. One is animator, one is models, and one is scenes. So first I would like to save my scene, and let's check this Barbarian scene which is come by default in this package. So here you can see the Barbarian scene which was already created. The auto generate lighting is being in work, so you can see a better lighting in a few minutes. Okay, we don't need that. Let's go back to our scene.